So many football Sundays ahead, and we all love the idea of tailgating, but we're concerned sometimes about too much fat, too much sugar, and too many calories. What to do?
Yeah, it's one of those days you kind of go, but you know what, every now and then you got to cut back a little bit. Joining us with her healthy tailgating tips and tricks, nutritionist and wellness expert, Christine Lusita. Good morning, Christine. How are you?
Good morning, guys.
Nice,
How are you?
Nice to have you
Nice
back.
to see you.
And the idea is smart substitutions?
Exactly. The key to healthy tailgating is using higher quality ingredients without sacrificing the flavor.
And I got to say, presentation too. If you put it out beautifully, which you did, I'm in.
Yeah, thank you. I love it. Okay, so
Where do we
first we're
start?
starting off with Healthy Mexican. Now, this is Siete Foods. They offer a variety of grain-free, gluten-free tortilla chips, tortillas right here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is their dairy-free, cashew-based dip. This is spicy blanco, and this is their mild queso. You've got to try this.
Okay.
This is so good, guys. Mark, we won't leave you out
All right,
here.
give me a little bite there.
And where will we get this?
Yeah, so you can get this. Actually, they're launching nationwide in Target and Kroger in just a couple of days, and you can find this at any of your local Whole Foods stores. Now, I've paired it, I'm using their almond flour. I've paired a taco, added a little avocado to get some healthy fats. Delicious in a great way without sacrificing flavor.
That has a really nice kick to it.
Isn't that good?
Now, stuff like this.
Yes. What's
it
healthy
looks really good.
tailgating? What's a tailgate without some sausage,
Right,
I
exactly.
mean, so I'm using Farmer John. It's a brand we all know and love. It's a very high quality, delicious tasting. Now, I've paired their smoked sausage with a little pineapple and pepper to get that sweet and savory flavor.
And you barbecued them a little bit?
I did, exactly. I barbecued them a little. This is one of my favorite, just a ham and cheese classic from their smoked ham. And it's so quick and easy and delicious. All of their products are very versatile, and here's the kicker. You know, by adding a fruit or vegetable to each meal, you can significantly reduce the damages of unhealthier food choices and help keep a healthy, maintain a healthy weight all year round.
So you're saying portion control to a degree.
Portion control
And you
is
don't have
key.
to throw everything out. You just add a little bit of the goodness.
Exactly,
All right.
exactly. And you can find these at Ralph's or Vaughn's, anywhere.
These look great.
Yeah, these are so good. Okay, so if you are going meatless, then this is a great option. I found these at Walmart. Yes, please eat them. I'm so excited. This is Eve's Veggie Cuisine Appetizer Bites. The ones you guys are trying, that's their falafel ball. This is their kale and quinoa. It's so good.
Really good.
Isn't it so good? I was so excited when I found these. They pair easily with a little tzatziki, a little bit of hummus. They're also gluten-free, low in fat, and a great source of fiber. So we've got something for vegans. We have something for everyone here today.
Once again, it's all easy to eat.
Yes, exactly. Finger foods.
Yeah.
That's the key, right? Small bites.
And are these are mini burgers, but they're not.
Okay, well, actually, check this out. No, this is part of, you know, first of all, like condiments, dressing, dips, all total essential necessity for tailgating. So what I've done is, this is Primal Kitchen. All of their products are dairy-free, gluten-free, no refined sugars, no soy. So yummy, right? So what I've done is I paired them with high-fiber vegetables, right? So fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar and keeps you fuller longer. Also, I've swapped out, aren't they delicious? That is their dreamy Italian. This is their barbecue. They've got a full line. Now, I've swapped out meat for turkey sliders. I've added a little bit. We took away the bread, because who needs it? We've got some crunchy, and I topped it with their delicious chipotle lime mayonnaise. So good.
My wife has really been into Primal Kitchen. She loves all this stuff.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. And they're all, many of their products are Whole 30 approved and keto friendly. So again, we've got everything. And the key is they're all made with avocado oil, which is so great. It's high in monounsaturated fat, so it's really great for heart health.
Excellent.
You gotta have a beverage.
Yeah, of course. And we know it's a little too easy to consume unnecessary calories and sugar, right? With beverages, we've got an easy fix. This is Honest Tea. They're all organic. They're fruit and herb infused teas, and they're made just a tad sweet with a little or no sugar and all fair trade ingredients. You've got to try this.
All right.
This is peach ooh la la.
And which one am I
Ooh la la
doing?
long, and you are having turmeric, pineapple, and I'm so excited because
I like this. It's quite light.
It's
got
light.
a nice flavor, but very light.
Exactly. It's very light and fresh. This is
And you got the vegetables on the stick?
Exactly.
I bet.
I do.
The fruit.
I pair them with a little fruit skewers, but the truth is that they're great alone, just as they are. And turmeric is really on trend right now. But not only is it, it's great tasting. And if you're whether you're tailgating or home gating, oh my God, they've got something for you. These are for kids. This is my favorite. They've got several flavors: apple ever after, try this.
All right.
It's what I have at home. Isn't that delicious?
That's really good. And this, I mean, I feel I've seen Honest, like
Yeah,
Ralph's,
you can
like,
find this at all national grocery stores, and they've got something again for everyone.
Okay, let's party on. Here we go. We've got it all. For more information on nutritionist and wellness expert Christine Lusita, her healthy tailgating tips and her book, The Right Fit Formula, please go to ChristinaLusita.com or follow her on social media. Thank you very
well done.
much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, guys.